I'm gonna have to give this to someone who I go to their house a lot so that I can continue to smell it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just got back from the gym, and as I was opening my front door, my FabFitFun box was on my porch, and I decided I would just sit down and open it up because I am way too excited to dive in here. So please excuse my mess while we dive into this absolute beauty. I do have, as always, my box and then also a mystery box bag item as well that I add on every time, and I do get 2 add-ons, so I'll share the mystery and the other add-ons at the end. So let's go ahead and just open my box. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It's very hard for me to show, but it does have a few different things from some other brands that have been featured in the box. We're gonna set this down. So we do have a scratcher on the top here, and you can play for a chance to win. Ooh, the ultimate prize is $10,000 yet again. So I'm gonna have to scratch this and see if I won. I was not a winner, but that's okay. Hopefully one of you won. I'm gonna pull out the first item because it is breakable. And it is this set of wine glasses from our place. So I was a little bit torn on this category because I wasn't sure what I wanted to get. And then I decided that I wanted to get these wine glasses because I just think they're so pretty. I'm really not a wine drinker. I'm probably gonna drink root beer out of these if I'm being completely honest. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just this really beautiful purple, kind of pinkish, very fall toned glass. And you do get 2 of these. I'm gonna leave the other one wrapped up before I shatter them all over. But I like the size of this. I feel like these are really, really pretty, and I'm pretty excited to drink out of them. So again, not a wine drinker, but anyone can drink out of a wine glass, even if it's just water. So these are really pretty. Next up, I decided to get these, and these are also a set of 2, but these are little spice jars. These are from Citrine Canyon Collection. So this is what they both look like. They have just a little bit of styrofoam on them, but they're kind of a textured ceramic, and then the top has this beautiful sun pattern. The bottom does have the Citrine logo on there. And then the inside is this really polished kind of ceramic. And these are so cute. I thought they would be really nice little pinch bowls for like salt and pepper and other seasonings that we use every time we cook. And I just think they're really pretty, even for like Q-tips or cotton pads in the bathroom. So not exactly sure where I will use them, but once I rinse off all the styrofoam, they're gonna be really beautiful. And you do get a set of 2. Next, I got the Ferrikai Super Strength Protein Power Bond Mist, and it is this really kind of pretty, almost iridescent, sparkly spray for your hair. And this is supposed to work with damaged fine strands that cannot sustain traditional bonding treatments. Sheer superfood oils in a revolutionary formula. So my hair could definitely use some love. Okay, that smells really good. I opened my mouth and it does not taste very good, but it's definitely that super fine mist. So I'm really excited to see how this works on my hair once it's clean and dry. Not something I normally pay $30 for, but still excited to have it. Then I got the Lujo Bar, and these are 4 eucalyptus shower steamers. I am obsessed with shower steamers. If you follow me on Instagram where I post my Amazon daily deals, I post shower steamers all the time because I use them pretty much every time I shower, and eucalyptus is my favorite scent. So when I saw these, I was super excited because these look really, really nice. They're pretty big. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but they're basically about 1/4 of this bag. So I'll probably be able to break them in half. So I'm pretty excited. Plus the bag is resealable. They are cruelty, gluten, and phthalate free, and they're vegan as well. So these weren't for you, they would be a really great gift idea as well. Okay, and then the last thing I customized, oh, how odd. The Necessaire box, which is what I ordered, is a little bit destroyed, which is interesting. We got a Necessaire body wash a couple boxes ago, and I have been savoring it because I love it so much, but it's quite expensive. I love the packaging of this. This is the For Your Body multivitamin body lotion. Yeah, I mean, I'm not really sure what to say about it, but this is what it looks like. It is fragrance free, but let's just see how it smells. It's a little on the minty side, but like a fresh mint, not an artificial mint, and that's about it. It's really, really soft. I can tell it's very moisturizing, and it doesn't feel greasy at all. Yeah, not much else to say about it, but I'm excited. Lastly, I could not decide, I don't know which customization it was. I couldn't decide what I wanted. Nothing was really piquing my interest, so I decided to get the mystery choice. Now, on my FabFitFun account, it says that this is a $62 value, and I have two things in here. I have the IGK Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and the Dream Hair Conditioner. So I really like the IGK brand, so I'm interested to try this. It has microbiome, prebiotic, and Red Sea algae in it. This is what the packaging looks like, very fun. And then the conditioner has shea butter and Red Sea algae in it and looks the same. Let's see what these smell like. Also sealed. Ooh, definitely not a super strong scent, but very fresh. I actually really like that. I hope it stays on my hair after I wash it because I really like that. So that's pretty exciting. $62 value, $31 a piece. I don't see myself spending $31 on this size. I mean, it's 8 fluid ounces. It's not huge, but I am certainly happy to have it. And then the last thing in the box, which I'm guessing is not part of my mystery item, is this Ricola Throat Balm, and this is in the caramel flavor with a liquid center. You just get 6, so I'm assuming this is basically like a little sample. Oh yeah, it does say sample. I like Ricola. I feel like this is a little bit odd to include in here, but I am always happy to have throat lozenges of any kind, and I like the Ricola brand. I still think it's a little random, but I'm happy to have it. And caramel flavor is really interesting. That sounds very much up my alley. So that was everything in my box. The total for this comes out to $222 of value. So I'm pretty happy with that. I feel like that's pretty decent. And I actually like all the products in here. Sometimes with the mystery choice, you can get something that's a little hit or miss, but I feel like shampoo and conditioner is something that I use very often, and I always like to try nice brands, but I don't always spend the cost. So I'm happy to have this in here. Let's go ahead and go through my add-ons. So first I will go through the add-on that I just picked out. The only thing I got was the Ahava Time to Hydrate Daily Moisturizer. I really, really like this stuff. This was only $3.99 on the add-on section, and it's normally $69. So I am super, super happy to have this. I almost wish that I bought a second one, but I'm just hoping in the winter they come back. So that was the only add-on that I got. And then I believe they have like add-on refills, which is how I get my mystery box and my toothbrush replacements for my boyfriend. I gifted him this toothbrush after he broke his last motorized electric toothbrush, and he really likes it. So I just keep getting these refilled every season because you want to change out your toothbrush all the time. These are $8 for, I believe you get 2 in here. Yep, 2. So not bad. And then I get my mystery bag. Now this is $19.99 every season that you choose to add it on. It always comes in this big clear bag, and I feel like they really stocked this one full. So let's see what's in here. Something smells good. Okay, first thing I'm seeing in here is this Chic and Tonic 3-piece silicone baking set. I honestly don't know if I am going to keep this because I already have some baking mats. So I think I'm gonna look at what these look like online and decide if they're different from what I currently have or if this should go in my gifting collection to give during the holidays. So I'll put a little picture of what they actually look like as well as the retail price once I am looking through it. But this is kind of fun. The ones that I got are from Amazon and I really, really like them. So these are really good gifts. Then we will go through the small thing. This is from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is in Cocoa Drizzle. I feel like this is gonna be a really dark color for me. Oh my goodness, I love the Fenty Beauty packaging. This is so pretty. Okay, Cocoa Drizzle seems a little dark. Oof, that's pretty dark. I don't think that's gonna be something that I end up keeping, but I have a friend that would look really, really good in this color, so I think I'm going to give it to her. And then lastly, we have the Lord de Seraphine La Pietra number 14 Fig Leaf and Cedarwood Scented Candle. This thing is huge. This is absolutely beautiful. The scent description says, a warm day in the Mediterranean with the fragrance of sun-ripened figs filling the soft air, infused with essential oils and featuring notes of fig leaf, cedarwood, and fig sap. Number 14 is a warming yet fresh surprise. Not sure if this is a soy candle and it doesn't say anywhere that it is. Oh, wow. You open the box and it looks like this. This is nice packaging. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. I'm very hopeful that it's soy so that it doesn't end up giving me a headache. This is so nice. Oh my goodness, this packaging is so pretty. So the lid looks like this, and then the jar is gorgeous. It has the same art as the box. I'm gonna have to give this to someone who I go to their house a lot so that I can continue to smell it. It definitely isn't a soy candle, and I'm already getting a little bit of a headache just from smelling it. So I think this is something that's gonna end up being a gift for people in my family. I feel like my boyfriend's mom would really like this scent. So this might be going to her for Christmas. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Okay, well, that was everything in my mystery box. I feel like that was really good for $19.99. So the total for my box that I customized was $222. And then the total for my mystery box was whatever is up here on the screen. I think that's pretty good. I mean, I obviously don't know the number right now, but I know that that's really good value. So I'm really happy with this one, but I'm super curious to know your thoughts. So let me know down below what you think and what you customized in your box. If you've tried any of these products, let me know how you got along with them. But I really appreciate you coming to hang out with me during this messy unboxing. And I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day. Bye.